Attention. This is a primary frequency evaluation. Please prepare your system for a sequential bass test. Phase 1. Low frequency resonance. Testing subharmonics. Focus on the depth. Phase 1 complete. Increasing amplitude. Activating mid-range punch. Get ready for phase 2. The pulse. Testing structural integrity. Warning. Extreme excursion detected. Final stage initiated. Maximum bass pressure. Do not limit the power. Bass tip. Feel the vibration. Sequence complete. Your system is now calibrated. System online.